Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for video editing. First, you will need to download and install the free version of DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic Design's website. Once installed, launch the software and take a moment to explore its intuitive interface. You will see several dedicated pages like Media, Cut, Edit, Color, and Deliver, each designed for a specific part of your post-production workflow. To begin, simply drag and drop your media files into the media pool. Next, let's dive into the core editing process. The cut page is perfect for quickly assembling your footage and making initial trims, allowing for a fast workflow. For more detailed adjustments and creative control, switch to the edit page. Here, you can precisely arrange clips, add smooth transitions, and fine-tune timing. Mastering a few key keyboard shortcuts, like B for the blade tool to cut clips, will significantly enhance your editing speed and efficiency. Now, let's explore DaVinci Resolve's renowned color capabilities. Head over to the color page, where you can perform primary corrections to your footage, adjusting elements like exposure, contrast, and white balance with precision. For more advanced creative grading, utilize the powerful node-based workflow, applying effects with power windows and tracking. Always refer to the built-in scopes, such as the waveform and vector scope, to ensure your color adjustments are accurate and consistent across your entire project. Finally, we'll refine your audio and prepare for export. The Fairlight page offers a comprehensive suite of tools for audio post-production, allowing you to adjust levels, add effects, and mix up to hundreds of tracks. Once your video and audio are perfect, move to the Deliver page. Here, you can export your project in various formats and resolutions, such as Full HD or 4K. Select suitable codecs like H.264 for efficient web uploads, or ProRes for a high-quality master file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.